What's up? Let me see y'all know why we here in Atlanta. Eating this JJ's chicken. I already ate the wings. We already ate the wings. We even eat chicken.
This chicken good. I only do chicken a few times a year, y'all.
This little crack roll. But nobody remind me of Home Tyrone. Everybody in here getting their chicken. That little sauce so good.
372, please come to the counter. 372, please
We're gonna get
come
some
to
chicken
the
wings to go.
counter.
Look, now, I've been eating chicken all my life. The last couple of years, I ain't really been eating really no chicken. But this JJ's fried chicken is outstanding. This tastes good. Also, they got fried whiting, perch.
Please come to the counter.
They got snapper.
They got catfish too?
They got
Please
catfish
come to the
nuggets.
counter.
They're not playing. They put some kind of they sprinkle some kind of lemon pepper dust seasoning. Just tastes good.
What's this? They got all flavors of the slushie. A lemonade slushie. And they put flavors in it. This one's sour apple.
373, please come
So
to the
good,
counter.
guys. So good.
373, please come to the counter.
Real sweet though. But it's good. You can get any flavor you want. They got mango, pineapple, what else?
Watermelon, bubble gum.
Cherry, strawberry, all flavors. Now, I would say do this once a year. All this grease, all that sugar, too much. But once a year, just go in. It's so good. Got a little hot sauce. What's this? What's some kind of
Barbecue ketchup sauce or something. Delicious. That sauce right there.
Might be cooking on hot sauce. Mixed together.
Also, they got good fried whiting too.
Whiting. Got bones?
This whiting right here, y'all. It's good. It's good. And they put that seasoning in all the fish. That pepper, whatever, lemon pepper.
See it on? It's lemon pepper. Powder. It's a powder. It's a crack powder. That's what it is.
Look at French fries. I got that powder on it.
I wonder if it's a, what it is. Make you want to come back. One lady was in here telling somebody else she come here every day. I said, every day.
Coleslaw. I'm gonna try this.
I don't think they make that fresh.
Nah, they get this from a vendor. Not bad.
Do it taste like Kentucky Fried?
Nah, it ain't that good, but not bad though.
Alright, y'all gotta finish eating my chicken. He done stole one of my wings. Now we gotta order some more.
Please come to the counter.
We'll get y'all back when we finish. What's up, y'all? I am done. I'm finished. Trying to finish this little piece. But I can't. I'm so full. This was good. We're still taking something though.
Please come to the counter.
Y'all, look, we got our order to go. And he can't stop eating it. That's some catfish nuggets. And he can't stop eating it. Look at his plate.
Yo, if y'all in Georgia, try JJ's fish and chicken.
374,
That's to go, y'all, for the
please
hotel
come to
room.
the
Not for
counter.
him to be eating it. He said it ain't gonna make it though.
374.
Is it gonna make it?
Please
We're
come to
gonna
the
make it.
counter.
We got the lid.
374.
All right, y'all. My little I'm taking my little chicken tender too. He's coming to the room too.